Today we're going to be doing a closet makeover of all of my Depop inventory. I'm going to give her her own closet because she's taken up a lot of real estate elsewhere in my house. I'm trying to start taking my Depop a little bit more seriously, you know? I just realized that I didn't really film a proper intro when everything was a mess, so I kind of fucked up. Okay, step one, everything is out of the closet. I'm gonna put together this nice giant bookcase to put in here because even though I put anchors where the brackets are, the walls just refuse to hold that stuff up. So the shelf on this side ripped out of the wall because the first segment when I tried to film this closet redo, I decided that I would hang a bar like this from here, you know, and it just didn't work out because it got too heavy with the stuff that I had on the shelf as well as the clothes hanging on it, and now it's ripped out of the wall. So instead of putting myself through that again and trying to put it back on the wall again in an anchor spot that was like this friggin' big, I just decided that I would just put a giant shelf that is not on the wall in here to eliminate that problem, basically. Without further ado, I'm going to put my handy dandy shelf together, but first I'm gonna take down this existing shelf. All right, here we go. I'm going to try to utilize this shelf in another room, in my living room, which I'm gonna try to make over as well in the very near future. It's just to utilize this shelf, basically. And plus I have good ideas for that room. It's not really a living room because I don't have a TV. It is more of like a sunroom for my plants. So this would be perfect for that. If it decides to stay on the wall. Wow, have a look-see there. Huh. Alrighty then. Well, it went all the way into, what the hell is that called? I don't even know, but I remember when I was a kid and like that stuff is supposedly makes you very itchy. The other ones are fine. They're normal. That's the one that got pulled out of the whole wall. Let me just show you what it looks like. Nice. Very nice. I'm not even gonna patch that up. I'm gonna put the bookshelf right there and call it a day. This side's fine, but this one definitely looks like it was starting to get pulled as well. Anyway, this one's fine, but now the shelf is extra short because it doesn't have the L shape and it looks really awkward. what? We're gonna deal with it. We're gonna deal with it, I guess. I'm redoing all of this because I want this closet to just kind of be like my Depop storefront. So I'm gonna try to style this closet like it is my little store, my shop, my storeroom, my warehouse. I just don't even understand. This is crooked no matter what I do. Bothering me. I'm just gonna put this together in here so that I don't have to move it from another room all the way in here because it's a big bitch. And I don't know if it's, I think it's as tall as this door frame, to be honest. So we're not gonna deal with that. I'm just gonna build it in here. Some directions, let me those. And I'm gonna give this to my cat to play with because he loves boxes. You can't turn around in there, can you? Excuse me, sir, what are you doing? You like that box? I love you. Okay. This is the mess. It's not too bad considering the first time that I did this, it was way worse. Now it only took me about 25 minutes, so that's pretty good. I did mess up like 3 times, not including those. But I'm ready to bring her into the closet. It was too big to obviously put together in here because it's hella long. I figured that I would film this struggle. I'm trying to think of what the best way would be. Let's do this. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright, okay. Alright. Okay, not as struggle as I thought. Struggle! Oh. Okay. Maybe I could have built it in here. Not that it was a big deal anyways, but. Okay, no. Because then it will not block up the hole that I made with the anchors. Alright, she's Gucci. Now I'm gonna put the shelves in there. Oh. That was great. I just ate like not too long ago and I feel really freaking hungry. Okay, so I bought these crates and I really like that they're white and they match. It's actually the same width as this. So I'm not sure. I might try to just put those along the bottom of the clothing rack because the clothes will be hanging over it so it won't look weird. Well, I'm gonna start putting the stuff back in now because The organizing part is gonna be what takes a while. So this is from Target, if you were wondering, and it was $35.99 or something like that. I actually have this extra white rug that was just like packed in my stuff. I think it might be a little dirty, but I'm gonna try to use it in here because it's just packed up in my stuff anyways. Oh, cute. Okay, I like it. It's very cute and matches all my white stuff. First things first, I put all my sweaters in here because I heard somewhere that if you hang up knits that it kind of like makes the shoulders all pulled and weird. So I was like, oh my god, let me not do that. I bought these from Joann Fabrics and I believe they were like $12 each. I think I got 3 of them for like $26 because I had a coupon for like 30% off your whole purchase. Ooh. Okay, I love it. So I wonder if this music is not copyrighted, that way I could just keep it in there. That would be cool. That would be really cool. All right, let me see how many pairs of shoes I'll be able to fit on one shelf. Everything that I have in this closet is going to solely be my Depop inventory. I just want to keep everything separated from like the clothes that I wear and stuff like that, because then I get overwhelmed. If it's like Levi's, I'm obviously gonna buy it because it will sell eventually. The same thing with the shoes and stuff. Like I have things like this, like Vans, that I know will sell that do not fit me. Some of these things fit me, but they're things that I've had for a while and I'm ready to let go of. And I've been trying to minimize my actual belongings and stuff because I'm trying to be a little bit more minimal. Trying. But like being someone who sells stuff online, like I obviously have a bunch of stuff that is not considered mine in my eyes. I don't know, like I'll buy random stuff that I intend on selling, so I guess that would make me not be a minimalist because I have so much stuff, but technically it's stuff that I'm selling. It's not that I'm keeping it. I don't know. Anyways, all of this is my Depop inventory. Long story short. Okay. I'm definitely noticing that this is crooked again. Like, what the frig? But I am liking this. Oh, so pleasing to the eye. So... I'm trying to like Marie Kondo fold everything. Like the way that those are, you can literally see every single piece that you have folded in there. So currently, let me show you. Like the regular clothes just here in my normal closet because it's easy. Well, it is much easier accessible. So I just have everything like nicely labeled in these slim boxes. And I reuse these boxes. When I moved here, I shipped myself a bunch of stuff. So now I just need to figure out if I want to take the stuff out of the slim boxes and just kind of utilize these for that and get that space back in my actual closet. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how all of that came out. I was able to fit everything in there, and hopefully this inventory will start to dwindle down a little more and I can sell some stuff. And now I'm just kind of working on putting all of this stuff back into a spot. All right, looking almost back to normal. Vegan. I hope that you enjoyed this type of video. I do plan on doing more than just fashion, sustainable fashion type videos. So this kind of goes along with my sustainable fashion brand or whatever, because this is all stuff that I'm selling on Depop. So technically, I am so happy with how this came out. I hope that you guys like this video and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, let me know down below if you made it all the way through the video, and if you guys like this type of video, please let me know, because I have a lot of other plans to do room makeovers and things like that in my house. So if you like this type of video, please let me know and give it a thumbs up so that I know that you like this type of video. Yeah, you're amazing. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.